Namaste. Let's find the equation of a circle if its passing point is given and if its center is at the intersecting points of two straight lines given as equations. Here, 2y minus x is equals to 3 is considered the equation of the first line, and 2x plus y is equals to 4 is considered the equation of the second line. Now, in this type of questions, first of all, we target to find the intersecting points. To find that, we need to solve the equations of the straight lines either using substitution method or elimination method. Let's use the substitution method today. As given, equation of first straight line is 2y minus x is equal to 3. Let's write this as 2y minus 3 is equal to x by exchanging x and 3. It can be written as x is equal to 2y minus 3, and consider this as the first equation. Now, equation of second straight line is 2x plus y is equal to 4. In this equation, let's put the value of x from above, that is equation number 1. So we get 2, and in place of x, we'll write 2y minus 3 from equation 1, then plus y is equal to 4. This is the modification of equation number 2, putting the value of x from equation number 1. Let's solve this. We get 4y minus 6, breaking the bracket, plus y is equal to 4. Now, keeping the like terms together, we get 4y plus y as 5y, and minus 6 when taken to the right side with 4 will be equal to 4 plus 6. Now that can be written as 5y is equal to 10. So we get y is equal to 2 as 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now, once again, putting the value of y in equation number 1, we get x is equal to 2 into, now in place of y, we write 2 that we have got from here, minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore, x is equals to 1. So when we solve these two equations of straight lines, we get the value of x as 1 and y as 2, which is also the intersecting point of the two lines, and that is same as h comma k for our circle. Now we can write h is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. See on the figure. As given circle also passes through the point 4, 6, using this passing point and center, we find the radius as when this passing point and center is joined, that forms the radius. So radius can be calculated here using the distance formula. So let's write this another page. We can continue as d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now d is replaced by radius since we are calculating the distance joining the center and the passing point of a circle, that is considered as a radius here. So we write x2 as 4 and minus x1 as 1 here whole square plus y2 6 minus y1 2 whole square. Solving this, we get r is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus 6 minus 2 is 4 square, and that is 9 plus 4, sorry, 16, and that is under root r is equals to under root 25. Hence we get radius as 5 units. Now in the figure and from all this process, we have obtained a radius as 5 units, h was given as 1 and k was given as 2 from the question. Use all these values h, k and r to find the equation of the circle, putting them in standard form of circle. That is, we have the standard form of equation of circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So here we put the value of h, k and r, and then we get x minus h is equal to 1 whole square plus y minus k is equal to 2 whole square is equal to r square is written as 5 square. Now solving this, we get x square minus 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1 plus, in the same way from the second bracket, y square minus 2 into y into 2 is 4y plus 2 square is equals to 4 is equal to 25 on the other side. Now simplifying this, we get x square plus y square written near to x square, and then minus 2x minus 4y, and when we add this plus 1 and plus 4, it is plus 5, and taking this 25 on the left side, we can write minus 25 is equal to, nothing is left on the right side, so we write 0 there. And finally we get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20, when we solve 5 and minus 25, this one is equal to 0. And this is the required equation of our circle. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I was able to solve your problem today. Please share the content and channel if you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you again.